autumn is really beautiful in all of Europe, but especially we see Oslo. So autumn is really very beautiful in Oslo. And guys, now we are going towards the fortress. Hi guys, अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू ट्रैवलशीश, जहाँ मैं सदा,
मैं हूँ आतिफ।
हम लेकर चलते हैं आपको डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पर। आज हम हैं ओस्लो में, ये हमारा सेकंड डे है और आज हम आए हुए हैं किंग पैलेस में और एक्सप्लोर करेंगे 3-4 साइट्स को। फिर शाम में हमारी फ्लाइट है फॉर एम्स्टरडम, देन वी आर गोइंग टू नेदरलैंड्स। तो चलते हैं और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं किंग्स पैलेस को। लेट्स गो। So guys, we are out in the morning. आज हमारा सेकंड डे है ओस्लो में एंड इन द इवनिंग वी हैव अ फ्लाइट फॉर एम्स्टरडम। सो शाम में हम एंटर करेंगे नेदरलैंड्स। एंड गाइस, ऑन माय बैक साइड यू कैन सी द हॉप ऑफ बसेस। ये आपको ले जाती हैं फॉर द साइट सीन। इट विल गो अराउंड 1 hour 30 minutes टू, और चार्जेस इसके ज़रा एक्सपेंसिव हैं। इट विल कॉस्ट यू 450 krona फॉर adult and kids it's I think 350. बट ये कि 1 घंटे में आपको तमाम इम्पोर्टेंट लैंडमार्क्स जो हैं वहाँ आपको लेकर जाती है। सो इफ़ यू वांट टू सिट एंड सी ऑल द बिल्डिंग्स सो यू कैन सी देयर। अदरवाइज़ ये कि आप वॉक करके भी साइट सीन कर सकते हैं। इट्स अ वेरी वॉकेबल सिटी और सारी अट्रैक्शन जो है वो नियर बाई हैं, ज़्यादा फार अवे नहीं है। So guys, here on my back side you can see the construction is going on. This is the Christmas market and that installation is for the Ferris wheel. So in December you will see some more lights over here with this Christmas market and the Ferris wheel. And this one is the National Theatre. You can see some photography is going on and it is also a landmark over here. It is also nearby to the city center. And guys, this is the palace garden. ये पैलेस के साथ ही है। अभी के पैलेस पर कुछ काम चल रहा है, so it is closed for public. It will open after the autumn, but here you can see the leaves are carrying out. Autumn is really beautiful in all of Europe, but especially we see Oslo. यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा जो है आपको कलरफुल लीव्स नज़र आ रहे हैं। You can see some red, you can see some orange and the yellow as well. So autumn is really very beautiful in Oslo. So the palace garden and King's Palace is the main attraction of Oslo as well. जो लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं, they don't want to miss it because it's a huge garden and you can see all the autumn colors over here. And guys, over there you can see the small kids are playing over there. यहाँ हमने बहुत सारी जगहों पर ऐसा देखा है कि small kids from the kindergarten they come here and they play in the garden. So it's a nice activity for all the kids. उनके सारे सूट्स उन्होंने पहनाए हुए होते हैं that they don't feel cold. But ये है कि it's a nice activity that kids can enjoy the nature from the early age. And guys, here you can see there is a changing of guard ceremony happens every morning. और ये सारे guards आ रहे हैं। So guys, good thing about Oslo is that all the attractions are near the city center, or you can say the central station. 10 minutes, 20 minutes और 15 minutes walk, so आप easily उनको explore कर सकते हैं if you are at the city center. And guys, on my back side you can see the Paradox Museum. It is the Museum of Illusion. हम ये कतर में देख चुके हैं, so हम यहाँ आके ओस्लो में उसे नहीं देख रहे हैं. But if you want to see, you can come here and explore this. So guys, Oslo is a city where you can see hustle and bustle all the time. हमने रात में देखा था जब भी बहुत रश था, और अभी सुबह में भी काफ़ी रश है. So it's a crowded city and a happening city as well. And we are again at Sokata, which is the shopping street. Here you can see all the branded stores, or you can say high-end brands: Chanel, Dior, YSL, Louis Vuitton, and Dolce & Gabbana as well. सारे जो stores हैं वो यहाँ पर हैं. So this one is the fancy and definitely expensive shopping street. Guys, this is the building you can see from 1641. It's the oldest building I can say, but they maintained it very well. And these are the colorful buildings on this street. And guys, now we are going towards the fortress. Let's see how it is. And guys, on my back side, this is the fortress, but I think ये भी बंद किया हुआ है. I don't know for the construction or for other reasons. So हम इसके अंदर नहीं जा रहे, but we can show you the outside view. And on my back side, you can see all the history about the Norway fighters, that how they died and किसने उनको मारा और कितनी यहाँ पर जाने गई. So it's a very nice landmark. If you want to visit, you must visit here.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like.
So guys, as you go up in the castle, you can see a viewpoint where you can see all the views of the city, and you can see the Oslo cruise terminal from up there. So guys, again we are here at Oslo airport. We are taking our tags to the luggage. Check-in हमने online करवा ली थी. Now we'll put the tags on the luggage and drop it. And Afan has mastered the baggage drop skill, right? So guys, tax is free for the travelers. So if you buy something, you should save your receipt and you should show it at the airport counter, and they will return your tax money. So guys, now we are in the airport and we are going to Netherlands, Amsterdam, right? Yeah. By the Scandinavian region. Bye.
So guys, if you liked our videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Travelsheesh for more videos. If you got a question, please place in the comments and we'll see you in the next video. But don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, X and TikTok. Handles are Travelsheesh. Bye. See you in the next video.